starting with a slab that's a 1/4 inch thick, you will choose a carving tool, trying out different size, see how the lines work. Then you must carve a triangular shape to make your cone of the bell. Check to make sure your slab isn't stuck to the mat, and consider using a texture plate, or here I just carved some lines in to give it a random texture to show y'all an example. You're curling that triangle into a cone and spending a moment to blend in the edges to eliminate that seam. Will make your finished bell look more as a solid piece of clay. To further disguise the seam, you could come back with the texture plate, or here I'm trying to connect the lines across the seam, try to eliminate that. Also, make sure your bell stands up straight by trimming the base. Use a tool to kind of cut away the excess clay so that your bell will stand nicely. Also taking time to kind of clean up any edges. Now I'm opening up the top by cutting off the top of the cone. So the hole is there to attach your string. Creating a coil here for the handle. So practice your coil making techniques here. Try out a few different sizes. Consider your proportion. So when you're satisfied with the size of your handle, make sure you score and slip very well to ensure that the handle will stay and support the weight of that cone of the bell. So spend time pushing the clays together, blending those pieces. Remember how important scoring and slipping is. Making sure to leave those openings on either side. So I need to make sure that I tie a string for the clapper, which you'll see me make in a moment. So I like to make my clappers more like a teardrop, and don't make the holes too small. Simply poking a hole with a paper clip or thin hole won't allow you to put the string on, so use a good size hole. Don't forget to add your name to identify your piece. I like to hide mine on the interior of the bell. Gives a little surprise if somebody looks. Consider what else you could add to your bell. I'm here going to add some words. What could you add to make yours more unique? Remember the importance of score and slip to any details you add. Good luck creating your own unique bell.